Cool. So I'm gonna be discussing chapter 4 of HTMX. Linda's gonna navigate my session. So basically, using HTMX, we built this search widget, where in the search bar you can basically search for the user's name and email. So if I put these this value here, it'll basically retrieve a name and an email essentially. And then yeah, so here's the email and here's the name. So just to jump into it, like we have here our post request, and this is where our post request is being handled for the user search, and the post request is being made to search over here. Then we use two lowercase to convert the search to lowercase, so you can use uppercase or lowercase. Then this if statement here basically returns like an empty row if you don't find like the specific user's name or email essentially. Then this basically fetches the user's data from this API that we place here. So this API has basically all the users, the name and basically the email. So if we look here, we have our name here and the email, and it shows a whole list of those users. So that's basically what we retrieving when we use the search bar, and it basically converts that to JSON. Then here we're filtering the user's name and email based on the search that we do. Then this basically creates the rows for the search results. So we have the user's name and we have the user's email that's displayed there. This sends the generated HTML response, so the search results HTML. So what we get when we put the values in the search bar. Then in our index.html, have this header search users to indicate that we want to search the users. And then we have basically here name search. Then this is a placeholder where this string is passed, start typing to search for users. So to indicate that we should start typing in order to get the users. Then we have our HX post. This is our post request that's being made with HTMX, and that's made to search. And we are getting those users from that API link. Then HX trigger basically triggers this post request, and here we have input change to delay 500 milliseconds. Do you know what this means exactly?
It's what I was talking about. Remember when you input something on the input bar, it's just going to search things like automatically without you having to press a button or press enter.
Oh, that's why it says
this is what it's yeah.
Okay. So that means it does it quick. Yeah. Okay.
I want to ask something though before you move on. How do you get the tables to be like that on your front end?
To be like what?
How did you get your tables? Yeah, to be like real tables. Mine are just like it's just separated. You can see that those are separate things. but you don't have the borders basically. The outside borders.
That isn't that has to do with Bootstrap, I believe. Did you put this Bootstrap in?
Yeah, I did. I made your class.
Oh, okay. So then
Okay, on your table. Okay, yeah, my class is just table.
I
I don't
think
have
it's
the
this.
second
Yeah.
class table. Not that one, the one here on your table. See table.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I only
Class
have the
table bordered.
table, not the table bordered. I want to try that. I want to add table bordered. And then I think, so it's table dash bordered. Okay, thank you.
So yours wasn't looking exactly like this. It wasn't showing like a. It wasn't ordered in these in this table.
No, only thing that was not there was the outside border.
Oh, oh, okay, I see.
Yeah,
Oh, table bordered, yeah.
that's what then I
Okay.
guess, yeah.
Yeah. Um, yeah, then yeah, triggers basically triggers the search for the request, and then HX targets saying that we wanna load that information to search results, which is over here, this ID search results. And yeah, we're basically getting the name and the email. This is for the table and the border of the table. Then it shows name and email within that table. Yeah, that's basically the HTML, and yeah, just a summary of chapter 4. Anything else you want to add?
No, there's nothing.
All good.
Go back to your front end.
Let's go.
Go back to your front end. Oh, okay, you did change the name and the email. Okay.
What, you mean this?
Okay, there's nothing. Yeah.
Yeah. Where's that done? This is done here. Yeah.